Hey guys, hope everyone is doing good. If this is your first time here, then welcome to my channel. So I'm going to be trying a new to me deep conditioner today. I've had this for a good little while in my stash and my hair needs some revitalization since I just got back from vacation. So I'm going to be trying out the Planted Hair Care Banana and Aloe Deep Conditioner, two ingredients that my hair really seems to enjoy. So I've detangled and detoxed, so I am very excited to be seeing what this can do for my hair today. One of the things I like the most about this product is that instead of water, which you would normally see in a lot of products, the first ingredient is actually banana. So this is giving me like concentrated, supercharged up formula with the ingredients being so high up on the list. And true to form, aloe is the very next ingredient. Behentrimonium Methosulfate for that conditioning, hydrolyzed oat protein for some strength, honey Quat, nice humectant to bring in that moisture, organic castor, ProVitamin B5, sodium lactate, some glycerin in there. So lots of yummies in this deep conditioner. It says that this intensive deep conditioner penetrates deep within your hair follicles to help nourish and rebuild dry, weak, and damaged hair. I have all three of those. Formulated with banana and aloe to restore moisture, elasticity, and strength to your hair. Leaves hair moisturized, easy to comb, and with a healthy shine. So this right here is totally speaking my language. So let's see what the smell is like. I don't like to eat bananas, but my hair seems to really enjoy them, and I also don't like the scent. So I get like a hint of banana. I can deal with it. Oh, no. But it does have that type of consistency that I really like. And I like this filled almost to the brim. That's what we like to see. This must be one of the most popular products from Planted Hair Care because I went on their website last night, and in addition to this beautiful 12 ounce that they have, I think they've got like a 32 ounce right now that is sold out. So that tells me that this stuff is like pretty good. So I don't know what side I want to start on, but as always, I'm going to do my initial coating of the product right on my crown. The texture of this is so like cloud-like. I barely even feel it on my hand. This is so, it has this dreamy little lightweight feeling to it. Like I barely feel this product, but I do feel the moisture in it. This is like giving me use it on dry hair to moisturize vibes. I love this texture. Let's start with this side today. I'm gonna do a little nice coating of the product on the side that I'm not working on so it won't dry out. It's like the most luscious, lightweight pudding type of consistency almost. Definitely planning to use it a couple different ways. Put you up. I've got my door open for the lighting so my hair is drying out very quickly and it's cold. It's like this light, fluffy cream something. So good. And even though it's lightweight, it is very nicely moisturizing, especially right now if my poor hair kind of like freezing a little bit. The fact that it's able to just penetrate and not just sit on top, because when it starts to get cold, my strands start to like seize up and that cuticle closes. So the fact that this is sinking in despite that. So if you're someone like me who doesn't like really thick, heavy deep conditioners, maybe on the more low porosity side, so those type of textures tend to just sit on top of your strands, this one might be the one to check out. We'll see how the final results are, but right now I am impressed. My hair is just drinking this stuff up like a little smoothie. I think this last coating should do us pretty good. It's got a nice little amount of slip for me to separate the sections. Maybe just a little bit more, because my hair is not happy with me having this door open right now. Coat the ends real good before twisting. Ooh. Let me add a little bit more to my roots. I don't have to fight with this product. It is just going right in there. Usually, even my thinner deep conditioners are a bit thicker than this. I would say that this is probably one of the thinnest I've ever used. So I hope that it really gives me the moisture that I'm looking for in a deep conditioner. But the initial just putting it on my hair feels so nice. It doesn't have like crazy slip, but it's got a nice touch of slip. And since it's applying so well, this is going pretty fast. Get in there with the claw hand for those thicker sections that tend to not get product as easily from just doing this. The claw hand really comes in handy. And I like to do that throughout the length. I am going to be using my hothead heating cap, the new one, because you guys know that you've been with me for a while on the channel. I've had my original hothead for maybe like 9 years at this point. So I have a new one, new technology. So my poor little frozen strands are gonna get a nice little treat with this deep conditioner. I have the heat off too right now because it's so loud. I don't want that in the video right now. Like the moment I put it on my hair and just working in a little bit, poof, disappear. And if you see my Aloe April month-long hair challenge, you know also that aloe is one of my hair's favorite ingredients. So the combination of the banana, the aloe, and the other ingredients in this, I have a feeling that my hair is going to be very, very happy. My hair feels like it's just getting like a gentle hug of moisture. I can only imagine how good it would feel if I had the door closed right now. I'm going to use one more dollop just for good measure. I'm going to focus this more so on the mid shaft to the ends. Maybe a little bit more on the roots too. Really moisturize this area and my scalp. Very hydrating, beneficial ingredients for the hair itself and where the hair comes from, my follicles. Healthy scalp, healthy hair. Okay, so last section. This is how much I used total. Not bad for the amount of hair that I have. So I'm going to pop on a shower cap and then use my lovely peacock design hot head to get things going and help this to penetrate even more into my strands and just to warm up a little bit too. Leave that on for about 30-40 minutes and then I'll be back to show you what my strands are looking like. I kind of moved things around, came to this part of the house where I'm in front of where I normally film outside to get some good lighting because you guys, it's so freaking cold. I had some ice cream and it turned my lips blue. It is not blue ice cream. But I'm so cold and my lips were starting to turn blue. Oh my goodness. So I wanted to show you guys. I kept on my hot head for about an hour or so. I was watching one of my favorite podcasts. And it's the day before Thanksgiving. My mom just called me to go run some errands with her before some places close. So I gotta go hop in the shower and rinse this out. But my hair feels so soft. Really nice and hydrated. The curls look pretty happy. So, yay! This deep conditioner really helped to smooth out the parts of my hair that felt a little bit rougher, kind of like that craggly feeling. It was so softening, super hydrating. I've got the heat on behind me, back in front of the door for the final result of the deep conditioner. My hair felt so good when I was rinsing it in the shower. Oh, it feels so good. I'm so happy. I'm trying not to touch it too much because I am going to be styling a wash and go after we get back from our errands. But oh wow, it looks so nice too. What is up with this? See, but when I stretch it out, they're more even. I don't know. I've just been hyper fixated on the length difference since I did my trim. I'm like, did I trim that much more off here? But no, this is how my hair is on this side. I can see myself getting that salon size in the future, especially if I have luck using it on dry hair or maybe as a leave-in. You know how I love a multi-use product, and the texture of this just lends itself well to so many different things. So if I have good luck with it those ways, I will let you know in an upcoming empties video when this ends up there eventually. Highly recommend. Planted Hair Care usually has a pre-Black Friday sale. It's over now, unfortunately, but if you're seeing this in the future, definitely check out in the month of November, Planted Hair Care. They have all products for $10, excluding bundles. So you can get this banana and aloe mask for $10 as long as they keep doing that amazing sale. But ever since I found out about them, they've been doing it every year, so it seems to be here to stay, which we love. And with this being the day before Thanksgiving, at the time that I'm filming this currently, if I see a sale, I'll pop it down in my pinned comment to let you guys know about that as well. Can't wait to use it to style a bun or set a twist or something. So I hope that you all have a great holiday if you're going to be celebrating. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this deep conditioner review. Deep conditioners are one of my favorite product categories. So anytime I have a new one to add to my staple / potential HG list, my hair was definitely needing it after that trip to Miami. If you did enjoy the video, please hit that thumbs up, that little quick Only takes a second and it makes a huge difference in YouTube promoting my channel and my video. Likewise, if you haven't subscribed already, please do so as well. I'd love to have you. Got lots of videos planned for the rest of the year and beyond. Remember that I upload videos usually every Friday with some short form content in the meantime, in between time. Hope you all are doing good, and I will see you very soon. Take care, guys. Bye.